Yo guys, I owed y'all this full on-feet review over the Air Jordan 12 flu games. It would not be right, me as a sneakerhead, me as the vintage, come on here and not give me guys the on-feet. And I'm telling you, bro, the pants that I threw with these joints, they look immaculate, man. So stick around, stay tuned. We'll get into a full little breakdown over these joints along with that on-feet to wrap it up. So let's get into today's video, man. Yo, what's going on YouTube, man? How are you guys feeling? How are y'all feeling coming off the day after a crazy, chaotic day? So I didn't see nothing too extreme, with the release. Of course it was crazy lines and stuff like that. But other than that, it was like a smooth release. But a lot of people did take L's. A lot of people went to confirm their shoes. And it's just crazy to see, right? You got stores like JD, you got stores like Foot Locker, and they already have the winners, and you got people lined up as soon as they open. Don't got them confirmed at all, which is super crazy. That just speaks volume on the sneaker, the significance, the history, just everything, the iconic stuff Jordan did in the, flu games, food poisoning, Air Jordan 12s, whatever you do want to call them, man. But I did want to go out there and say, I know in my early look, I said I do wish we would have got the suede pair because it kind of tells the story. And I was talking to the homie, the Retro Whiskey. We talked about this shoe a lot over the last couple of weeks. And I was saying, man, I didn't really think I needed it, because I did want to get a reimagine, the suede pair with the, 38 points, 97 on the side with the stick emoji. That's like a reimagined Air Jordan 12 flu game. I thought that would have been dope and perfect timing to drop it with all the reimagined sneakers we have gotten. So I did want to throw that out there. Still an iconic Air Jordan 12, man. You cannot go wrong with it. A lot of people put this as #1 Air Jordan 12s of all time. So I'm not disrespecting, not knocking the sneaker at all. Just wish we would have got, a reimagined spinoff, or maybe we getting it soon. They're just setting it up for it, man. But if you guys are new here to the channel, right now we need everybody to do, man, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for your boy, and please, man, run them likes up, bro. Run them likes up for your boy, The Vintage. Y'all went crazy yesterday's video, and I told y'all, if we get that video up to 1,500 likes, we'll be giving a free pair away of Air Jordan 12 flu games. That's gonna be like the goal. Every release we get, every major release, these white cement taxis. If we get the video up to 1,500 likes, I will be giving a pair away, going live and all that good stuff, man. So again, if you're new here, sub up. You're gonna enjoy the content, I'm telling you, and more looks on the way. Hey, it's looking good this year in terms of releases and stuff like that. And the brick by bricks, bruh. I'm telling y'all right now, they're gonna be a problem, but it's definitely coming to the collection. All right, guys, first things first, I did want to point out the box. You guys have probably heard it a couple of times. It's one of the things that, sticks out, but it probably shouldn't because we don't wear the box. But the box is significantly smaller than the pair we got in 2016, which is crazy. And I texted to the home, I said, bro, 2016 was 9 years ago. And I was like, yo, I don't think we need it. My pair crispy. But the pair that I have from 2016 is 9 years old, bro. That is crazy. 9 years is a long time, damn near a decade. So it probably is perfect timing for them to spin the block and drop these flu games, man. But again, the box is significantly smaller than the last pair. And of course, it's engineered and built to the exact specifications of championship athletes from around the world on the side of the box. Of course, Air Jordan 12 Retro, black varsity red, and I got these in the size 9.5. You guys see them, bro. I've been going to 9.5 and everything, and I already did the on feet prior to shooting this video. And I don't know if it's just me or going up a half a size, but they feel so much better than the 2016 pair. And here we have them, bro. I know y'all tired of seeing my face. Y'all want to see these flu game guys, bro. One of them ones is gonna go down in history, you know what I'm saying, as probably a top 3, top 5 sneaker Jordan has ever played in history, bro, of all time, bro. It's just one of them ones, man. I just think back to all the clips that I did watch of Jordan, you know what I'm saying, hooping in these, dropping buckets in these, and putting his stamp on the game, you know what I'm saying, putting his stamp on the game, and just taking a quick look over everything. I know something that you guys have noticed when you got your pair is the leather quality is super, super tumble. I'm talking about crazy. And I thought the 2016 pair was really good. The 2025, bro, I feel like they put a little extra emphasis on the butteriness of the leather. It's just crazy. Of course, you got your red mud guard. I wish I had my 2016 pair here. It's in my other crib. But just to kind of touch on the red on the sneaker, this is a little bit more vibrant red than the 2016. It's more a little duller, in my opinion. This one has a little bit of pop, but that could be because of the age of the shoe or because, again, they did probably change it a little bit more true to the OG back in 97 or 98, whenever he was hooping in these guys, man. But on the back, you guys already know, Jordan, quality inspired by the greatest player ever. On the back tab, 2-3, and of course, your Jumpman on the pull tab right here. And again, this is like a simple sneaker, bro. It's so simple, but it pops so crazy. One, because of the history of the shoe, and two, because of who was wearing them. You know what I'm saying? Of course, you got your Jumpman on the tongue with your 2-3 going down right here, man. And then something else to touch up on that people really don't be talking about much is like that reptile skin on the mud guard. Kind of got this reptile vibe right here. And then of course you got your Jumpman, and then flip on the inside, you get that same type of effect, but no Jumpman on the little panel on the midsole right here. So yeah, man, that's pretty much all you get, bro. It's one of them ones, it's one of them hood classics, one of them sneakerhead classics that you gotta have in the collection. And again, bro, 2016 was 9 years ago. It's crazy. So I am glad I did get a pair, and I was able to hit another pair on the Nike sneakers app, and I went on there late. I was like, I shouldn't even get them. I was like 5 minutes late, and I still ended up getting a crazy dub. But again, man, super happy that I was able to pull the trigger, secure these guys. You let me know in the comment section if you were fortunate enough to get a pair as well, or are you still scrambling for a pair as we speak right here. But I appreciate y'all's support, man. Thank you guys so much for tapping into today's video. Make sure y'all run them likes up, sub up to the channel, and of course, comment down below. Let me know what you think about these Air Jordan 12 flu games. Top 3, top 5 of the year. I don't know, we got some bangers coming out, man. But I love y'all, I appreciate y'all. With all that's being said, man, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video. Peace.
Give me the loot. Might lose some battles, but winning the war. I get knocked down, I get back up, get up and go. I stay ready for more. Go toe to toe till I level the score. Never gon' quit. Heard you seen some, but you never seen this. Bet on myself 8 times, no trick. Give me the loot. See now we going high stakes. This ain't clickbait. This a risk take. This no mistake. I was born to do it. I was born for music. I just get into it. I can't get influence when I'm the influence. No genre music. We go rap back to pop, pop back to rap. Country on the track. I was once broke, I was down bad. Swear I'm never going back. I'm from upstate where we see a little bit of this and some of that. Little city and some sticks. Watch me put it on the map. Someone get attacked. If you're not first, then you're last. Life is a race, don't you lag. I get a bag and I stack. The reason I tax was not cause they needed me. Got all of mine equally. I see what they need from me. Blood, sweat, and tears from the frequency. Now you believe in me. Cheers for me. Give me the loot. Might lose some battles, but winning the war. I get knocked down, I get back up, get up and go. I stay ready for more. Go toe to toe till I level the score. Never gon' quit. Heard you seen some, but you never seen this. Bet on myself 8 times, no trick. Give me the loot. Word on my palm at the top of the game. Still unashamed, no one to blame. Took all the L's and I rose from the pain. Can't have the sun without seeing the rain. And it rained down when the rain came. See the time change, rolling plain Jane. You and me are not the same, stop saying things. Yeah, they talk, I don't say a lot. I just walk, so I'm moving loud. Really keep it low key, I don't like crowds. Really keep it OG, I don't like clowns. Really keep it just me, I'm the best out. I don't try to keep up, I don't stress out. I don't cash no checks cause the checks bounce. I don't chat about that, I'm the best out. And I did all of this with a pen and a pad. Ship up the tech, got the notes in the lab. Remember the days when I want what I had. Still want more, guess I'm stuck in the past. First or your last. Fast lane, chuck up the deuce when I pass. Give me the loot. Might lose some battles, but winning the war. I get knocked down, I get back up, get up and go. I stay ready for more. Go toe to toe till I level the score.